Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see how we can modify standard security roles. Okay, so the first thing is that you can create extension of your roles and duties, but not your privileges. Okay, so I'm going to consider a hypothetical scenario. So let me do one thing. Let me open my event group form. Okay, and similarly, let me duplicate, and in my next tab, let me open my event group, sorry, not event group, guest group form. So we'll understand the scenario first. Okay, now if I'll go to security diagnostic here. Okay, so here what I will do, this particular role, okay, accounts payable manager role. Okay, let me write role, accounts payable manager. Okay, now we'll go to my customer group and let me go to options here again, security diagnostic. Okay, so here I don't have any role named as accounts payable manager. Okay, so now what I need this particular role. Okay, that this particular role should also see my cuss group form. Okay, how I can achieve this? Okay, let's understand this. So we'll go step by step. Okay, so the first thing is that we have two options. Either we can create our own privilege or else we can leverage out of the box as well. For now, I think I should use the out of the box one because something is already available, so we should not. And let's say I will use this one, maintain customer groups, like basically which have view access. Okay. So click on show object identifier. So this is the exact name of the let me go back. Yeah, this is the actual name. So what I will do, let me close all tabs. Okay, so I'm going to create, I think privilege is already with me. Okay, the second thing is that I need to create extension of my role first. Okay, so I will go to my event group here. I click on this show object identifier. This is the role, like brand invoice account payable manager. I will go to my security, expand security roles, brand account, what's the name? Vend invoice account payable. Okay, it was manager, so I can create extension of this. So its extension is ready. So the simple would be I can simply drag this what do we call this particular privilege. I think cust group maintain. Okay, so this would be the simplest way. Different way would be I should create a new duty, or either I should link this one with any existing duty. But as typically the vendors and customer, they're different. So what I will do, I will directly attach. Okay, so I can go to my privilege now, and here also you will see we don't have any extension option for privilege. Cust group maintain, cust group maintain. So I can simply drag my privilege here. We should not do it, but anyway, we are learning, we are doing demo, so we can do that. And I will do a build now. Okay, once we have the build, then we'll able to see that we have, let's click on security diagnostic again, not this one, this one. Yeah, so we'll see that privilege is attached here, like once our build will be completed. In this way, you can verify that it will work, as we don't have multiple user accounts, so I can't test it with logging with different user. So I'll wait for my build to get completed. Alright guys, now let's verify the changes. Go to options, Security diagnostic. Here we cannot see. I think it's an extension, so that's why. But let's verify it from our what we call security configuration. So the rule was accounts payable manager here, and I've directly added it to privilege. Yeah, here we go. So this is available. It will not have anything. Second duties will have, yeah, it will have all this. Yeah. So guys, this will work like it's an extension, so that's why it is not visible here. So this is the approach you can take if you want to create or if you want to edit in standard security. Thank you for watching this video.